What if I told you that in just 5 days you could build and launch your own AI system without a tech background? Here is what frustrates me about most AI courses. They throw theory at you, lots of videos, some quizzes, a certificate. But when it's over, you still can't actually build anything real. That's why we created Applied AI for product development and innovations. This is not about watching, it's about doing. You will build a complete AI system from scratch, the same way professionals do it. Let me show you what you will accomplish in 40 hours over 5 intensive days. We will work with a real business scenario throughout. Day 1 is about organizing messy data. Most companies have information scattered everywhere, different databases, different formats. You will learn to bring it all together into one clean, usable data set. Think of it like organizing a messy room before you can actually use it. Day 2 is deductive work. You will learn to find patterns, spot problems, and understand what your data is really saying. We clean up errors, find important trends, and prepare everything for AI. No fancy math required, just a practical analysis anyone can learn. Day 3 is where the magic happens. You will build an AI model that learns from your data and makes predictions. We use it to solve a real business problem, like predicting which customers might leave, and you will turn it into something others can actually use through a simple interface. Day 4 is about maintenance. Just like a car needs regular checkups, your AI needs monitoring. You will set up dashboards to track performance, create alerts when something goes wrong, and learn to keep your system running smoothly. Day 5 is a graduation day. You will learn how professionals actually launch AI systems, proper packaging, automated testing, and deployment to real environments. By the end, you will know the complete process from idea to production. This is what separates hobbyists from professionals. This course is intensive 8 hours a day for 5 days. It is designed for professionals who are serious about adding AI to their skill sets. Business managers, career changers, tech leaders. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and learn by doing, this is for you. We limit each cohort to 25 students so I can support everyone personally. Ready to build a real AI skills in 5 days? Click the link below for available dates or book a free 15-minute call with me to discuss if this is right for you. Let's get you started. Thank you.